Usembut Menteri Rangba ke Jela Meghalaya beri kemi ikatanat kampo yeng ubak Preston Tensong ulaong. Bagi kentian kibla thot daw Secretary Kam Publicity ke hinyau terhadap National Liberation Council ke HNLC ubak stan kupar nong trau haka Facebook page jang u halor kemat yakran sokhi kilong kum ke kam drama. Kumban syukudau haka tayo baladap ubak stan kupar nong trau haka jingtho haka Facebook page jang u ulaong. Baladap ban pak tin sa usembut Menteri Rangba baka council ke priang ke jing terwa ban kendu ikinong elam haka nu ke jaka kabaan sepenbet daga council laka long haka nu kari bat an ayo ba Preston Tensong kalenti ban wan sa kajing kendu da ka basengan. Nalor kini unong elam ke HNLC ulaong ba Preston Tensong umdai ban khuslai ya kabam kadi ke jakathia ke jakadam bat ka council kan sumari u bat kentu ba umdai ban syapting ni artatin. Kumban syukudau baka HNLC kalau weng no nak jeng kran bat ke sarkar Jela kumjo bat ke sarkar India haka bekut jong katayo no pra arja arpulai halor kinong rem baka sarkar kamshim khia ya kimat jing dawa jongka ban pentelun ya ke jeng kran ya suk Kerbana ke sarkar Jela kala kentu ya ke HNLC ban perkhat bah bon sin ban wan pai biang sya kemit ya kran ya suk Nakaliang ba Preston Tensong ulaong bakam day na umarway ban khot ya ke HNLC ban khot ya kran Hendray kadai lengba ke sarkar India harengkat ke sarkar Jela.
No, I stand by the statement made by the Honorable Chief Minister. I think the other day after the cabinet, he already said, even me also, I have already requested again, resume for talk. The door is open. Still the door is open. Think it again. Please be measured. Think about the future. So, therefore, my, again, stand is very clear. We keep inviting them for talk once again. Am nga suyo ingaro haki social media. Kamdon kumata. Dengan supet ya katuka kiketin ke begitu matai kalong ngatat kalong dok kalong kum ka kam drama. Nrei vi nga habang nga kren seriously hakaba ngamla ban kren mangamarway claim ka authority len ka bor ba ai ka Ministry of Home Affairs namar kamla ru ban long bangan invite mga na state government lada ka Home Affairs len ka Government of India kam agree kata they on that basis balay ba ka Government of India kadang open ya ka jingkang bangin ya kren dengan nga kadaw nga dan kren biang ngidang invite on behalf of the state government basngau ba what discontinue ya kanika talk tongin beteng ya kanika talk but habab kum mga repeat, kum mga pensay kato kalas, ngayay pensay biyang lada piting namar ba kadaw ba kabaki kiong ba kisne kisinyo most leader lani chairman lani commander in chief kimnut panwan na bayo sakep te yakataru nila ay ka assurance bangin ay ka safe passage but lada pikwa pa daban karen hakan no ka chaka ka pimkwa la si hame kalaro yakataru ngilong open bakin propose bang ki jaka tambah habang om kumta mdekin bakin tok kumui ke social media bangi invite ubak Preston ban wali keren kata kalong komopi ka kam day ka kam official mereka kam official hi kalong mday ubak Preston invite then day ka government of India but ka state government ka ba invite na kamenta ka talk but ki HNLC.
But it seems that the HNLC is maintaining silence in regards to the government's repeated appeal. What do you have to say?
I have nothing to say. I have nothing to say. I can't talk on their behalf. But from the government side, the door is still open. We keep requesting for continuation of talks.
But nothing official after that has come from.
No, nothing.